Alright, here's my mega system. Orbit. This is the Bhyve system. You know what? In the past, it's been very crappy, very difficult to deal with, and seems like they might have updated the app. So I got sprinklers everywhere, and it's kind of like a mix of sort of things. I do have the Orbit, do-it-yourself system. Here's where all my lines come in. It's a little odd. I'm going to mount it to this thing. Have another thing here. I was going to try to put a box and do everything in a nice way, even though you do not see it. And I've kind of made my yard in a way where you don't see a lot of stuff like this. Also, planting shrubs and stuff. Here's where it comes in. I have all the river rocks down there and my electrical box. So there's all misters throughout the whole yard. Then there's pop-ups in here. But as you can see, unlike most YouTubers out there, everything is kind of like all over the place. There's no sort of continuity. Everything's square, rectangle, circle, you name it. So I have to use a lot of different devices in order to kind of keep the yard going. Over here, I'm trying to even find one of those misters. That's the other problem too. What happens is a lot of stuff gets buried when it comes to growth. Oh, there's one right there. So these sprayers here, and they're throughout. I'm going to do my test right now. Oh, there's another one hidden out, just to kind of like spray everything. Then I have some down here because look, there's always missed spots with the sprinkler system. Here's one kind of like hiding out now, getting overgrown. Another one. So then I have two orbits, one shooting that way and another shooting this way. Then here's one. Here's another down on the sidewalk pad. This is a pretty cool one. This is actually for dog walkers. I'd like to spray them. So it actually shoots across and then forward. Yeah, I got no choice but to kind of waste water in a sense and hit the sidewalk. It sucks, but there's nothing I can do about it. Here's another one over here, and here's another one that sprays this area. Here's the other one that shoots straight, and then on the other side I got another unit. I got to bury that one there, and also I got two up there. I do have different ones too. What I do is I kind of switch off. I have the other ones that I don't know, go in like a spiral up there. I'll try any different sort of sprinkler head to see what works best, because like I said, I'm all over the place here. Here's another sprinkler. This is Mr. Landscaper. You could actually find this at Lowe's. It was in the house originally, the person, but I ended up burying them and try to make them incognito. I have them all over, so I have differences of systems. Let me try to set this up because it's now right after June 15th, and this is when the heat wave is coming. When? This week, of course. So that's what I'm trying to work on, so that I will make sure the stuff doesn't burn to death this week.